What's up guys, my name's Cam, you're watching Sarai Garage, and tonight we're going to teach you how to reset the engine oil and engine oil filter maintenance light on a 2015 Infiniti Q50, Q50S, or Q50 Red Sport. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so real quick, as we look at the main instrument cluster here, you can see we got oil and filter maintenance, tire maintenance, and other maintenance going on. Not a big deal. We just got all that taken care of today. So, but the guys were not able to reset any of this, so we have to reset it ourselves. To do this, on the newer cars, this is only for like 2015 and up, I believe. What you have to do is go through your lower screen here, and you want to find App Garage. Okay, go ahead and click that, and then we want to go to, let's see, what was it called? Maintenance Note. Okay, go ahead, click Maintenance Note, and then you go to Maintenance. Okay, it's very simple. And let's do Engine Oil. And you want to set this to whatever distance you want, and then just hit Reset. Okay, and it's reset. And then we can just go back real quick, do the same for our oil filter. Okay, and I don't know why this one's set to 0, but we can push it up to 5,000, and then we can reset, and that's it. All right guys, so we did restart the car, and unfortunately the error message is still there. So we're gonna try something else here. Okay, now that the apps are loaded, we did everything through App Garage. There's actually another area that you can that records the oil change information as well. It's Settings, then you go to Meter, then you go to Maintenance, and then oil and filter, and then let's just reset the distance here as well. Okay, so actually we're going to change this to 5,000 so it matches everything else, and now we're going to reset the distance. Okay, and now let's just double check our bases here. App Garage, Maintenance Note, Maintenance, Engine Oil. Okay, it should be good. So now let's shut it off again. Open the door and shut it, and restart the car. Okay, so as you can see, the only maintenance items showing up now are other and tire, and we're going to go ahead and clear those out as well. We'll make another video about that. If you need these things cleared out as well, I'll have another video on the channel. As always, I'll link some cool Infiniti stuff in the description down below, and a random thing. If you're interested, check it out. It'll be Amazon links in the description down below. And that's it, guys. That's all there is to it. Well guys, there you have it. Quick and simple little repair. Shouldn't take you more than 2 minutes. We got a little confused, but hopefully you can learn through our confusion. It wasn't too much. It's just weird. There's 2 different menus that you have to clear out. If you only do the one, it won't do it. Okay, so at least you guys know that now. As always, I hope you guys found this video informative, and I hope you guys found it entertaining. If you did, please drop a thumbs up down below. Really helps these videos spread. Share if you want. Subscribe if you want. We'd love to have you. And other than that, there's not much more to it, guys. I will see you all next video.